You can use Sendspark and Expandi together to send AI personalized videos in your LinkedIn connection requests or messages. So basically, what you're doing is you're creating one video and you're actually recording it with a placeholder watermelon. So it's like, hi, watermelon, and then your usual message. And then you can turn on AI voice cloning to replace the word watermelon with each of your viewers' first name. You can also customize the video page a bit here if you want, and then you'll import the contacts. And when you import your contacts, each of these is going to get generated for that person. So saying their name and then showing you recording over their website like this.
Hi, Tarun. I just generated this video using Sendspark's AI.
Click on a different one at random.
Hi, Sushi. I just generated this video using...
Okay, so once you have the videos, then you can just download the CSV and send it in Expandi in any of the campaigns. I'm going to show you how to do this in a second, but one note I want to make is when you're importing your contacts in Sendspark, you want to try to keep the LinkedIn profile as a data field here. It just makes it a little bit easier to send it into Expandi because then you're going to be able to map like which profile gets which video. And we don't have a specific field for LinkedIn profile here. So you could either use it as the background URL recording your video if you want to look like you're recording over their LinkedIn profile, like this, but on a LinkedIn profile. Or if you're not, if you want to make it look like you're recording over their website or a different page, just make sure to keep this in a different field. I often put it in job title because I don't use that variable that much. But if you put it there, just don't use job title and you're all good to go. So you'll generate the videos, keeping the LinkedIn profile somewhere here, and then you can download the CSV to share it. And let me click on the CSV to show you what it looks like. So when you download the CSV, you have these fields: first name, email, company name, job title, but remember we're using LinkedIn profile for that. The background URL is what we're recording over. And then this video link is really important. This is what we're sending in our LinkedIn messages. And it's the unique, you can tell each of these are different. These are the unique links for all the contacts videos. So when we send it to that person, they're going to see their own video with their name. That's personalized for them. So now that we have the CSV, we can just go into Expandi and create a new campaign. And this will work with any campaign. I often do connect requests. I send these in the LinkedIn connections and get really good responses from this. I know a lot of our customers and other people on our team even are using it in more complicated messaging and automation. But you'll just create your campaign. And then what you want to do is go to people. And then the way you're adding people to this campaign is uploading the CSV. So you'll click browse, you'll select your list, and you'll map in these fields. So we'll map first name to first name, email to email, company to company name. And then remember, job title, we're using in a weird way, and we're actually going to map this into a profile link. And then background URL. In this case, I was using this as the website background. I don't think that's actually an option here to map into, so we'll just skip that one. And then video link is the most important. That's the video we're sending out. So this is actually going to be a dynamic placeholder in Expandi. And just remember the name of the placeholder, which in this case is video link. So we have this mapped. We'll click send CSV for processing. And now we can go ahead and create our messages for Expandi. So we'll go into steps. This is a connection request. So we're sending this as we connect people on LinkedIn. Look, our contacts loaded already. That was fast. And then what we can do is click hi, first name, and then we want to add that video link. And the way to do that is click dynamic placeholder. And then from here, we select the placeholder, which was video link. And we can type a message containing the link. So assuming that video, generated, we have a link for them. And then we can also set a fallback. So what happens if we don't have that link? So what I'll do in this one is say, I made you a video to show how you can use Sendspark to make personalized videos at scale. And then I'll do a dash and then a link. So we'll get that. And then we can also set a fallback. So this is what happens if we don't have the link, and I'll just add a question. Do you want to see a video on how you can use Sendspark to make personalized videos at scale? So that way, if something happens, we don't have a link, like they're getting that, it's still a good experience. I can just quickly make the video and send it off. So I'll add that in. We can save this and then just, check the settings, check everything else for your campaign, make sure you're good to go. And the last step is just to turn this on, and we'll be sending this out. And, I should have mentioned the way the videos look on LinkedIn. You're sending it as a link, but they look great. Like if I was going to send this to one person, I'm just going to send this to someone on my team to let you see it. So we'll send this off. And you can see when you first send it, it looks like a link. But if you give it a second to load, they're going to get this nice preview, and it's going to show you over their screen and have their first name here, and they can click to watch the whole video. So hope this helps you connect personally at scale. Let us know if you have any questions or feedback, but happy connecting. Cheers.